Okay, right, I want to work this number 13 out. So it says that the total surface area of a cube is 294 square centimeters. So that's its total surface area. And then it says work out the volume. Okay, so that's the total surface area of the cube. And what does a cube look like? Cube looks something like this. And what does total surface area mean? It means that if I look at it, it means I need to count the number of faces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 faces. So we need to do 294 divided by 6. Find the area of one face. So 6 into 29. 6 times 4 is 24. Remainder 5. 6 into 54 is 9. Which means that one face is 49 square centimeters. Which means it's 7 by 7. So if it's 7 by 7, then the volume is, so this is going to be 7, 7, 7, 7. So volume is length times width times height. It's going to be 7 times 7 times 7. And we can quickly work this out if we can find the calculator, and it's right here. So I'm going to solve this here. I'm going to use a calculator to do 7 times 7 times 7. And that gives you 343. So the volume is 343 cubic centimeters. And that is the end. So I'm gonna stop now and review this. I have to come here, by the way. Stop recording.